Hi, fourth graders, and welcome to Flex Wednesday. Today we're going to continue our work with word story problems. Before we do that, though, I want to remind you of the steps we use to following and solving number stories. The first step was we always highlight or underline what is the problem actually asking you to do, and what information are you getting from the problem versus what do you need to find out. Once you do that, our second step is developing an equation. Sometimes we have more than one step, which means we'll have more than one equation, but you always want to make sure you know what you're solving. And then step 3 is when you actually solve and get your answer. So let's do a problem together. The zoo needs to move 4 animals in a truck that can carry only 700 pounds. A leopard can weigh up to 176 pounds. A warthog can weigh up to 250 pounds. A chimpanzee can weigh as much as 130 pounds. What is the maximum weight that the fourth animal can be? Okay, so I'm going to think about my problem. Step 1 is asking me, well, what is the problem asking me to do? It seems like it's asking me to find out what is the maximum weight of our last fourth animal. So I'm going to highlight that. Now that I know what the problem is asking me to do, I need to think, well, what information do I already have? I know that the whole truck can only hold 700 pounds. So all 4 animals in that truck need to weigh 700 pounds or under. I also know that the leopard can weigh 176 pounds. The warthog can weigh 250 pounds, and I know that the chimpanzee can weigh 130 pounds. So to solve this problem, I need to find out what that last animal can weigh. My equation will look like this. 176 plus 250 plus 130 will get me the amount that those 3 weigh. I also need to then take all of these numbers and subtract them by 700 pounds. That will get me my answer. So, mathematicians, I want you to pause the video and I want you to take a chance to add, well, what is the leopard plus the warthog plus the chimpanzee? Once you get that, I want you to subtract it from 700 to find out what that fourth animal can be. When you're ready, press play. Okay, welcome back. So to solve my answer, 176 plus 250 plus 130 is 556. So those 3 animals weigh 556 pounds. But my last step was to subtract that from 700 to get my total answer. When I subtracted 556 from 700, I was left with 144. So the last animal can weigh, its maximum weight can be 144 pounds. Let's try one more. The combined weight of a mountain lion, an orangutan, and a wolf can be as much as 491 pounds. If the wolf weighs 175 pounds and the orangutan weighs 180 pounds, how much do 2 mountain lions weigh? Okay, mathematicians, pause the video, walk through the steps, highlight what the problem's asking you to do, develop your equation, and solve. When you're ready, press play. Welcome back. Okay, let's walk through this problem together. So I highlighted the important things I needed to know in this story problem, I should say. The combined weight of the mountain lions, an orangutan, and a wolf can be as much as 491 pounds. So mountain lions plus orangutans plus wolves equals 491 pounds. I know that the wolf is 180 175 pounds. And I know that the orangutan is 180 pounds. Now I needed to find out, well, what was it asking me to do? It was asking me to find out how much 2 mountain lions can weigh to combine them all together. So I need to find that out next. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to find out, well, if I subtract away the wolf's weight and the orangutan's weight, what am I left with? So let me do that first. I'm going to subtract 491 minus 175. Oops, minus 175. When I do that, I'm left with 316. Okay, so now I've subtracted what the wolf weighs from the total. I have 316 pounds. My next step is to subtract the orangutan's weight as well. So I'm going to take my 316 and I'm going to subtract 180 pounds. When I did that, I was left with 136 pounds. So a mountain lion, an orangutan, and a wolf can weigh as much as 491 pounds. But I'm not done yet, because now my problem is asking, if the wolf weighs 175 pounds and the orangutan weighs 180 pounds, how much do 2 mountain lions weigh? Well, I know a mountain lion weighs 136. What would 2 weigh? To find that out, I need to do 136 plus 136. And when I do that, I get the total of 272 pounds. It's a lot of mountain lion. Okay, so today, friends, you're going to be working on completing word story problems using the information we know. Make sure to use the steps to solving number stories. Let's get started.